The authorities may have stopped a brazen escape attempt by inmates at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Facility in Kingston.
The security forces are on the ground right now. An operation which started earlier today after a tunnel was discovered on an eastern section of the compound.
Our reporter Kirk Wright was on location at the facility and now joins us live with the very latest on the situation. Kirk?
Thank you, Archie Doreen. Well, it was hard to determine if what we had heard was in fact true, but we began seeing signs that something was happening on the outside. It seemed like a typical day at the facility. It wasn't until the state minister in charge of national security, Colonel Charles Jr., drove into the facility along with an assistant commissioner that we started putting the pieces together. In fact, a source told us also that the authorities first saw signs of a tunnel from yesterday, which drew their suspicion, and then a team from the Caribbean Search Center came back today with members of the Jamaica Defense Force and the police. We understand that it was then that they discovered a tunnel which leads from one of the cells to the back of a church on the compound. We were also told that there is a sewer line at the back of that church that leads to the sea. And if you know the story about the Mexican drug dealer El Chapo, we were told that it was that kind of getaway that these prisoners were planning. It happened at the eastern section of the facility, and we were also told that the men, well, nobody has been charged or held responsible for this so far, but the investigations into the tunnel or who created it is ongoing. The minister, we were hoping to get something from him, but we waited for some time for him to leave the facility, but that didn't happen. So we're standing by and we'll keep you abreast with any information as soon as they become available. Archie Doreen?
Thank you very much, Kirk.